Hey everybody, this is Kevin here with Ken Sewing Center in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Today I want to talk to you about a Ken Sewing Center exclusive. I've got all the more popular tools all in one kit for you. So let me give you an overview of each tool that you're going to get in this fantastic kit. The first thing we always want to think about when we're coming up with a tool or scissor kit is what our customers need, what they've been asking for. Definitely we want to look at quality. These are made in Pakistan, made out of stainless steel, very good quality materials. These are going to last you for years to come. And in this tool set, I've got 5 pieces, and I have the little tote pouch that's going to store everything for you so you can keep everything nice and neat and organized within the kit. The first tool I want to show you is the mini duckbill applique scissor. Now this particular scissor has a 1/2 inch cut on it. This little guide here is going to keep us from snipping into our material. So if you have some embroidery and applique in the hoop that you're working with, you'll make sure that you're not going to snip your fabric, but you want to snip right up against the applique. You're able to do that with no problem whatsoever on this particular scissor. Notice the large rings here for getting my fingers in. It's real comfortable. It's got a bend right here, so it makes it really easy for me to get down to where I need to do the snipping that I need to. Then I'm going to have the double curve embroidery scissor. This is the mini double curve embroidery scissor. Again, we have the larger ring on it, but it has a little bend here, and it has the shape right here bent upward, so I can easily get down if I'm doing embroidery, if I'm snipping something in my hoop, snipping something at the needle. I'm going to be able to get right to where I need to, and these will snip all the way to the tip. You'll get thousands and thousands of snips on this particular double curve mini scissor. Now I've got the straight edge micro scissor. Now this particular scissor, again, I like it has even larger rings here for us to put our fingers to get to where I need to go. But the micro tip scissor, it has a very small fine tip right on the end. This is going to allow us to get right to where we need to do our snipping. It will snip all the way to the tip. Embroiders, quilters, you folks with the sergers, you're going to love this straight edge scissor. It's got the really fine tip on it, and these are going to, like we say, last you for years and years to come. For your maintenance and your threading, it's the slant edge or the slant head tweezer. Now this particular tweezer allows us to do a lot of things with it. Everybody's going to have lint buildup in their bobbin case area. This is going to help us remove lints. You've got threads that are wedged and tension systems. It allows me to get to where I need to go. Let's say you're threading needles on sergers or just sewing machines, and I want to pull that thread through the back of the eye of the needle. I'm going to be able to easily get up to where I need to, grab that thread, and it has such a fine tip on it, it's going to grab it all the way to the tip, and I can pull it through. So the slant edge tweezer is also included with this particular set. And then last but not least, we're going to have the most popular embroidery snip that Ken Sewing Center has ever sewed, and that's the embroidery squeeze snip. This particular snip is made, it's really delicate in our hands. It doesn't take a lot of force to do our snipping. It's got a curved end on it. I can snip all the way up to the tip on it. I have places here to hold it so I can get to where I need, do my snipping, and go about my business. So if I'm embroidering something, I got something in the hoop and I want to cut jump stitches, or if I'm wanting just to snip threads right at the needle, I'm able to do that with this particular snip. And then you're going to get the little pouch this comes with, so I can store all of my tools all in one, nice and neat, keep it organized for me. I like how I can get everything in the little elastic bands. I can keep all my tools organized. They're not strewn all over the place, and if I want to go take a class, I'm able just to keep everything together, zip everything up, and then we want to give you all of our contact information so that you can reach us at any given time. We have more information on the website. Feel free, pick up the phone, give us a call, order online. We'll be glad to help you find the right scissor and tool set to meet your needs.